want unlimited access to both Gemini Pro and the VEO3 video generator for free? Then hit that like button, subscribe, and watch this video till the end.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something that feels almost too good to be true. But it's real, it's legal, and it works. We're living in an era where AI tools are advancing faster than most people can keep up. Every few days, a new model drops that pushes the limits of what's possible. From writing entire books and building apps to generating hyper-realistic videos and ads with just a few words. And right now, at the top of the food chain, we've got Gemini Pro 2.5, an absolute monster of a language model by Google. Then there's VEO3, the ultra-powerful AI video generator that's shaking up the entire creative industry. Together, these tools give you a serious edge, whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or just someone who loves exploring the edge of technology. But of course, there's always a catch. You hit the paywall, the subscription page, that annoying upgrade to Pro button. Well, not today. Because in this video, I'm going to show you a completely legal and repeatable method to unlock both Gemini Pro and VEO3 for free with no limits. I've tested this method myself, and yes, it actually works. You'll be able to access these AI tools over and over again whenever you need them, without ever needing to pull out your credit card. Before we get into the full method, here's something important you should know. Location actually plays a big role. Tools like Gemini Pro and VEO3 sometimes have regional restrictions, and from my testing, this method works best when your connection shows you're in the United States. That's why I use NordVPN. It's fast, simple to set up, and it just works. You can definitely try the method without a VPN first, but if you run into any issues or blocked features, switching your location with Nord usually fixes it instantly. To make it easier, I've added a special NordVPN link in the description and pinned comment. It gives you up to 70% off, so you're covered if you decide to go that route. Looking to skip the grind and start earning fast? Get access to fully monetized YouTube and TikTok channels at an affordable rate. Whether you're building a brand or automating content, this is your launchpad. Click the link in the description now and claim your ready-to-go channel before they're gone. Alright, let's break down the wall and get you access to the tools the pros are using. 100% free and fully legal method without credit card or any form of payment. Now here's where the magic begins. Open your browser and click the first link in this video description. It'll take you straight to the Google Cloud Skills Boost platform. Once you land there, don't get distracted. Just scroll all the way to the bottom and hit the Get Started button. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in with your regular Google account and also date of birth. That's totally fine. This part doesn't mess with your personal info. After logging in, head over to the top of the page and click Explore Catalog. Inside the search bar, type Generative AI. The result we're after is a 45-minute lab titled Generative AI with Vertex AI. That's your golden ticket. Open it up, and you'll see a big green Start Lab button. Click that, and the system will ask you to complete a CAPTCHA just to confirm you're not a robot. Solve it, and then you might be placed in a short queue. Don't worry, that's normal. It'll say, reserving resources. And usually it takes no more than 2 to 3 minutes. Be patient, let it load. Once it finishes, look for a countdown timer. It'll appear on the left side of the screen and run for 45 minutes. That means your private cloud session is now active. Now pay close attention, because this next move is critical. You'll see a button labeled Open Google Cloud Console. Don't just left-click it like usual. Instead, right-click and choose Open Link in Incognito window. This part is essential. It opens a clean, isolated browser session that doesn't interact with your personal Google account. Once that Incognito tab opens, accept the terms of service. You're now inside a fresh cloud environment. Stay right there. Open a new tab inside that same incognito window and head to gemini.google.com. This is where the real test begins. You'll be asked to sign in. Ignore your personal account if it shows up. What you want to look for is a new login option that starts with something like student, followed by a string of characters. That's the temporary pro-level account the lab just generated for you. Click it, and just like that, you're in. Welcome to Gemini Pro. You'll see the Pro badge right there at the top. You now have full access to Google's most advanced AI tools. So what can you actually do with this access? A lot. You can hold complex conversations with Gemini 2.5 Pro, analyze documents, generate strategies, or write production-level code. For faster and more creative tasks, you can switch to Gemini 2.5 Flash. It's built for speed. But the real fun starts when you dive into visuals. With this access, you can now generate high-quality images using just your words. Even better, you get credits to try out VEO, Google's powerful AI video generator. That means you can create cinematic video clips, just like the ones you're seeing on screen right now.
My dearest love, will you marry me?
Yes, 1,000 times yes.
My dearest love.
So yes, you're holding the keys to a powerful creative suite. A researcher, designer, and video producer all rolled into one. But here's the catch. That timer we mentioned earlier is ticking. When the 45 minutes are up or your credits run dry, the session ends. Here's where the real hack comes in. As soon as you're done, close every tab in that incognito window. Completely shut it all down. Then go back to the lab page, the one with the timer. Click the red End Lab button and confirm it. The session is closed. Now refresh the page. Guess what? The Start Lab button is active again. Click it, complete a new CAPTCHA, wait for the cue, and just like before, the system spins up a brand new student account with fresh access. Open the console in incognito again, visit Gemini, sign in with the new student ID, and you are back in the game. This loop can be repeated indefinitely. Each time, a new session, a new pro account, a new set of creative tools at your fingertips. And there it is. A fully tested, fully working method to unlock unlimited access to Gemini Pro and VEO without paying a dime. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're building with these tools. And if this guide opened a door for you, the best way you can say thanks is super simple. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps more than you know and keeps these guides coming. Thanks for sticking with me to this point. Stay sharp, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Man, it's so hot, the sidewalk's cooking breakfast.
I ain't stepped outside 5 minutes and I'm already sweating like I ran a mile.
Ow.
Sisters to renew.